how to add Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. So let's head over to Amazon. On the homepage in the search bar, you want to go in and type in Amazon Reload. From the result, you want to head over to any of the first options. I'll go to this one. If you scroll down a little, you'll come to amount. You can choose the amount from here, or you can go to other and type in your amount. Once that is done, you're going to want to scroll down and click on Buy Now. Moving on to the payment method, what you want to do is you want to click on credit or debit card. If you already have your cards, then it is going to show right here. But what you want to do is you want to click on Add New Card. You would now have to type in your card details. So just make sure to copy it from the Visa gift card to the details right over here. Once that is done, you just have to click on Add and Continue. So that is how you add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Hope I was able to help you out. Thank you for watching.